having today?
We just had a simple barbecue today. We just had
Simple
bangus with stuffing with
This is the bangus right here.
onion, tomato, and ginger, black pepper and salt.
Okay.
That's it.
What else do we have? What are we?
We're gonna have a
grilling?
lempo right here, which is a pork belly.
All
We're just
right.
gonna put some salt and black pepper also, and this one right here.
We also have pork belly and chicken to grill, and this is marinated with my secret ingredients.
That's right.
So no one would know the secret ingredients. It's a Filipino dish that only me and this guy actually knows about. So we're just gonna have a regular barbecue day actually. Barbecue day, and it is I don't know, like 90 degrees, and then we're gonna have that chorizo right there. But it's 90 degrees. We're gonna have a couple of beers and all that, and we're gonna show you how we grill Filipino style. Yeah, this is not looking good. I don't know. What do you think, guys? I don't think this is the proper way to actually grill chicken. I guess we still have a lot to learn when it comes to grilling. But we're still gonna eat it. I don't care. It's cool food, so yeah. Just watch us eat it later. We're gonna make sure we enjoy it. Yeah, those are burned chicken. That's not because of him, it's because of me. I don't know how to properly grill, I guess. I'm not really that good person to grill. Yeah, but it's okay. I mean, are you sure luto na to, man? Kasi konti, saglit ko lang siya pinoil doon. Huh? Okay, I trust you. Oh, just so you know, guys, this gentleman right here actually works for a restaurant that I can't really say the name, you know, but he's really good with grilling. Let's just put it like that. So I'm gonna put my faith in this guy. So he's the expert. I'm just the spectator, pretending to know how to grill, but he's the guy. He's the guy. And so, guys, what do you think about the food? Actually, what do you think? Is it good, or does it look juicy, or does it look burned that you don't want to eat it? Yeah, just put your comments down below and let us know. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know, going with Val Bong. Appreciate the support. Man, this guy's on it. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Woo. Mamma mia. Right there. Right there. So Reno, tell me about like your experience as a chef in one of the restaurants, one of the 5-star restaurants.
That's all right, you know.
Yeah. How long have you been doing this?
3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah.
Do you like what you're doing?
Of course.
He likes what he's doing. I mean, like, you can't go wrong with that. Look at that. You cannot go wrong with that. This guy is just amazing. Look at that. Cannot go wrong with that, sir. did I mention? We're gonna have a beer. You want a toast, man? Come on, dude. You got a toast. Ito iniinom ko sa trabaho pag wala akong ginagawa. Oh, you didn't hear me say that, so. Well, no one knows where I work. So, I said something about work.
Kunin mo yung spring. Magkanang apoy mo.
We're here. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna do a food vlog. The food vlog, going with Val style. Alam ko ito ilalagay mo.
Mamaya pa naman ang pagkat mo. Kasi baka pagkakagawa ako sa marami.
So yeah, so this is basically what we do when we grill. Just marinate all the meats. And as Reno mentioned, for the milkfish, we actually place onions, some ginger, and some tomatoes. So it's a traditional kind of bangus style Filipino dish. Yeah, that's how it is. So that's what we're doing right now. Tell me about life, Reno, what's going on?
Life's so good, even though I had a pandemic, you know?
Yeah.
Everything you wake up is a blessing, so...
That's right.
What else we can thank for?
I mean, we should be blessed that we are still, you know, we're healthy.
Yeah.
And
We're still doing this shit.
I'm gonna have to beep that because my channel is PG. So, but anyways, we're just thankful that we're healthy and we got our vaccines. Well, he hasn't got his vaccine yet, but you can check my some of my videos. I just actually uploaded some vlogs when I did my first and second vaccine, so you guys can check that out. I'll put that description down the link, so you guys can check it out. But yeah, just trying to be healthy, safe, and you know, just trying to enjoy life as much as we can. You know, never take life for granted. And our prayers to the, you know, our kababayans in the Philippines that are still in the verge of that pandemic. Cases are still going up, so we're praying that everything goes back to normal hopefully soon, and hopefully so we can actually go back to the Philippines. I miss actually going back to our own country. It's like they said, it's more fun in the Philippines, but right now it's more fun with this guy. So we're just trying to enjoy the day. Oh, it's 90 degrees. Did I mention that? And yeah, I mean, we're trying to live like how Philippines is.
Really hot.
Really hot, but it's okay. We're having fun. Grill right here. Boom. Later on we'll have our pulutan, so we're not really like having pulutans yet because we're still cooking. finish with the meat. Oh, that smells really good, and I just can't wait to eat. Still have one more dish that we have to do, the liampo, but that's gonna be quick. So, what are you guys up to? What do you guys do at home? Because this is just us on our day off. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. We were just here to show you like how it is to actually grill during summer here in the US, trying to do Filipino style. I still have Mr. Nazareno right here on the grill. So if you like this video today, don't forget to click like, share, and comment down below anything you want to say about this vlog. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and really appreciate it. I'm trying to go to reach 5,000 subs, so if you can help me out with that, I would really appreciate it. So I'll see you on the next vlog, and you guys have a safe and healthy day, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.